Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to sync Outlook calendar on iPhone. Alright, let's begin. First, start by opening Outlook calendar on your computer or accessing it through the Outlook app or through outlook.com. Before syncing your Outlook calendar with your iPhone, ensure that iCloud Sync is enabled on your iPhone to do this. In order to log in your account on Calendar, open the Settings app from the home screen and scroll down. Now, access the apps list, locate Calendar, and then access it. Inside it, access the Account feature and tap on Add Account. Then, select Outlook from the list of available account types, enter your Outlook email address and password, then tap Sign In or Next to proceed. After signing in, you'll be prompted to select the data you want to sync with your iPhone. Make sure to toggle the switch next to Calendars to enable calendar syncing. Once you've selected the data to sync, tap Save or Done to complete the setup process. Next, open the Calendar app on your iPhone, tap on Calendars embed at the bottom, and add a new calendar. Once you get to this page, enter the name for the new calendar and then select the Outlook account in the Account section. So that's basically how you can sync Outlook calendar on iPhone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.